Scag zero-turn radius mowers are some of the most efficient, maneuverable, safe, and well-built commercial mowers in the industry. But these powerful machines are only as safe as the operators. You are responsible for proper mower operation and your own safety, as well as the safety of the people and property around you. You must also make sure everyone working for you is trained in the safe operation of the equipment. At Scag, safety is our #1 priority, and this video gives you basic information and instructions for safe operation of your mower. However, please remember that this video does not replace the operator's manual that came with your machine, so be sure that you and those working for you read the manual before operating. When using any equipment, the key safety elements are common sense and good judgment. If something feels unsafe or not quite right to you, stop and reevaluate what you are doing. Let's first talk about several of the most important safety considerations, including mowing on slopes and in other potentially hazardous situations, and the rollover protection system. Mowing on slopes takes extra caution. Never use your zero-turn radius mower on slopes greater than 15 degrees. Slopes less than 15 degrees can also be hazardous, especially in wet conditions. To check if a slope is too steep, try to back up on it with the cutter deck down. If the machine's wheels slip, the slope is too steep for the current conditions and should be mowed with a walk-behind mower or hand trimmer. Use a walk-behind mower or trimmer to mow slopes of more than 15 degrees. Always mow across the slope with a walk-behind mower. To prevent tipping or loss of control when mowing a slope, reduce speed, start and stop smoothly, and avoid sudden turns. Never tow equipment on a slope. The extra weight can cause loss of traction and control. Stay at least 2 cutting paths away from drop-offs, retaining walls, and water. The mower can roll over if its wheel goes over the edge or the edge caves in. Use a hand trimmer or walk-behind mower in these areas. Avoid making sharp turns. Reduce your speed when turning, especially on slopes and wet grass. Give yourself extra distance to stop in these situations. Scag does not recommend mowing in reverse. If mowing in reverse is absolutely necessary, check the entire area behind you. Maintain a constant lookout and go slowly. Generally, disengage power to the cutter deck when you are in reverse. Be careful when approaching blind corners, shrubs, trees, or other objects that can block your vision, and mow only in daylight or good artificial light. Your Scag mower is built for good traction and stability under normal conditions. However, traveling on slopes and wet grass can reduce traction and steering control. In case of a rollover, the Rollover Protection System, or ROPS, is designed to help protect you from serious injury or death. But remember, although your mower has a ROPS, serious injury or death can still occur in a rollover accident. A ROPS does not make it safe to mow on slopes greater than 15 degrees or near retaining walls and drop-offs. Never remove the ROPS and always adhere to its proper use, which includes the following points. Always keep the roll bar in the raised and locked position and your seatbelt securely fastened during operation. Failure to do this could cause serious injury or loss of life. Because there is no rollover protection when the bar is in the down position, lower the bar only when absolutely necessary and raise it again as soon as clearance permits. Do not wear the seat belt when the ROPS is in the down position. Always return the ROPS to the up and locked position if it has been folded for storage or transport. Scag recommends trimming low-hanging branches so the ROPS can be used under trees in the up position. Otherwise, if the area is small, use a string trimmer or walk-behind mower. If using your zero-turn mower is the only reasonable way of mowing a larger area, and if the ground is relatively flat, lower the ROPS and mow with extreme caution with the seatbelt unfastened. When done mowing the area, immediately raise and lock the ROPS and fasten your seatbelt. Always wear the seatbelt when the roll bar is in the up position to keep you secure in the seat, which is the safe, protected area of the ROPS design. However, when the roll bar is in the down position, do not wear the seatbelt. To avoid hitting any objects with the roll bar, carefully check the area ahead of time for proper overhead clearance. Be sure to stay away from utility pole support wires. The seatbelt system is a critical part of the ROPS. Inspect it daily for signs of damage and contact your dealer immediately to replace it if problems are evident. Failure to do this can cause serious injury or loss of life. Check the webbing for cuts, fraying, wear, significant discoloration from UV exposure, packed dirt and stiffness, all of which can reduce the physical strength of the belt. Ensure the buckle and latch operate properly and check for excessive wear, irregularities, and cracks. ROPS is provided with all current models of Scag zero-turn radius mowers and is available for most prior models. If your mower currently is not equipped with a ROPS, talk to your Scag dealer for more information and to order.